Hey, everybody, and welcome to 2021. Today is January 1st of the new year. I'm so excited and looking forward to it. But most importantly, what I'm really excited about is growing my YouTube channel. So, my name is Tony Coleman-Brown. I'm the founder of the Network for Women in Business, and also this is my YouTube channel. And in 2021, what we're going to do is we're going to cut more videos. But what I want to do is welcome you to this journey. We're going to learn about a lot of different things. We're going to review a lot of different topics. I'm really excited and looking forward to it, and I'm really excited for this journey. So, the first step that I'm going to take is I will be updating my YouTube channel banner. That's going to be the first step that I'm going to take for my journey into growing my YouTube channel. I am going to document this journey all along the way, and I welcome you to watch me as I do it. This is going to be fun, this is going to be educational, and you're going to learn something. So make sure to subscribe to my channel. You're going to want to see what I do and how I'm doing it and how I'm growing my YouTube channel in 2021. So here I have my new YouTube cover, and whenever you want to create a new YouTube cover, all you have to do is come on over here to Canva, and you can just type in YouTube, and then YouTube channel art will come up, and so you'll have the exact same dimensions that you need for your YouTube channel cover. Well, I've created one before, but you guys know that it didn't match what I wanted my new YouTube channel to be known for. And basically, I'm an educator. I will be teaching you, and I will be teaching you about a lot of different concepts, especially as it relates to digital and online marketing. So what I wanted to do was I wanted to upload new pictures in the main area that is displayed, and that is this main area here. And I want to be known as the trusted teacher, your trusted teacher. And I also want to be known as the creator of the Educate to Elevate method. And that's what I put here as my tagline. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and I'm going to upload this new cover art to YouTube. So the first thing I did was I created the name, and then I'm going to download it here. And now Canva is downloading this picture to my computer. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here, which is my YouTube channel, right? I'm coming over here to my YouTube channel. So the next thing that I want to do is come on over here to my YouTube channel, and I want to change the cover art. So you see what happens when I kind of hover over my channel art, it brings up this new photo. So this allows me to change my cover art. So once you click on it, you can come over here where it says banner image, and because YouTube will take you over here to the branding section, and you can come here and you can click change if you want to change your cover image. Then I have my new image here. I can press new and just click open, and then what will happen is it will give me the area that will be viewable on the channel. So now it's saying that these areas will be visible on the channel. So, and this will be visible on a desktop. This will be, all of this will be visible on TV, but on desktop, this will be visible, okay? So you can click here and say, this is what people will see when they go on a desktop. This is what people will see when they view it on all devices, which is not bad because you can see that it has me teaching here in the background, and this is what's visible on TV. So all of the pictures are visible when people watch it, you know, on the television, which is fine. It's fine to have all of those other images, but I sectioned these off in Canva, so now you see this section only will be visible on desktop. So I'm going to click done, and then I'm going to click this publish button here. So it will publish it, and then now I can go to the channel, click on the button there. Now you see it changed the banner. Now the banner says Trusted Teacher Tony. And I figured that I didn't really need something different here. I didn't need my name here, basically. I didn't need Tony Coleman-Brown here because Tony Coleman-Brown is listed here on my channel. So I just changed it to Trusted Teacher Tony because that's what I am. I am your trusted teacher, so that you know you can come here and you can find out, you know, as much information as you want or as you need on YouTube. So that's that as it relates to changing the cover banner. Now the next thing I want to do is I want to change what's listed here, because I don't want this freebie, this free guide, to be all about just, you know, reaching your goals. I actually want it to be about generating leads, right? So I want this to be something that will teach people something about generating leads. And so I'm going to change that. That's going to be one of the next things that I change. I'm also going to go back. Well, I'm going to do it right now, actually. I'm going to change my cover image here. As you guys know, a lot of times what your image here is for your profile is the same image oftentimes that will be used all across Google and Gmail and whatnot. So I want to change this image actually so that it looks like more like the curly hair image that you see here in the video. So what I'm going to do next is show you how to change your cover image, okay? Okay, so now you know about how to change your banner image on YouTube. I'm going to now show you how to change your profile image. You can just come here and click on the camera. You hover over your picture, and what it's going to do is take you over to YouTube Studio, where you come to your channel customization, and it's going to take you here to your profile picture, where you do have the ability to change it. So what I'm going to do is click on that, and I'm going to change the image. I'm going to change it to an image that I already currently have on my computer of me with the same kind of look. And it looks like it hovers over the whole entire square, and it gives this circle. I can move it a little bit up to catch more of my hair, and I'm going to leave it like that and say done. And then what I'm going to do is click this publish button. So it's really simple and easy, guys, to change your profile image. So now that I clicked publish, now you see that the channel image for my profile has changed. So if you come over here to view profile, now you see I'm starting to make some headway as it relates to changing my profile for 2021. So I have a new banner image. I have a new, name here. I want to be known as your trusted teacher, Tony. And I am the creator of the Educate to Elevate method. And what I do on my channel now is I educate to elevate. So basically, I teach you digital marketing tricks. I teach you everything you need to know about digital marketing and online marketing. And that is what's important to me for this channel, is that people understand and know exactly what it is that I do and exactly what I will be doing here on my channel. So I'm going to think about this trusted teacher Tony, because I don't want people to think that I am a teacher. So I think I'm going to change that. And you guys, when you come back, you may see something a little bit different, but I'm playing around with it, so we'll see. So this is the final product, and I actually decided to leave it as my name. I just changed the tagline to helping you grow in business and life. And this is the new banner, as you guys can see, and this is my name again and my new profile picture. Now I just have to work on changing what this link is. And I wanted to link to something that is quite different. And you will see what that is very shortly. In my next video, I'll show you how to change what these things link to, because this is just basically linked to your website. And these are your social media links, so you can change these around if you want to as well. And so on my next video, I'm going to show you how. So don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button, because you want to get notified every time I drop a video. And growing this channel is going to be fun. As of today, January 1st, I currently have 223 subscribers. We're going to go over a lot of different things, and we're going to cover a lot of different topics, so definitely stay tuned. Okay? I'll see you on the next video. Take care.